This video from Sharp, we're taking a look at the SD card function on the XEA137 and 147 cache registers. So I've got a few videos about the SD card functionality covering what you can do. So this video we're looking at the first step, which is formatting, and in the other videos we'll be looking at what data you can actually save to the SD card. So sales data, programming data, and then also we'll have a final video showing you how to download till programming to a unprogrammed register. So okay, in terms of formatting the card, you take the card and pop it in the SD card slot on the side of the machine, and then all SD card programming is done in the Z PGM position. So you turn the key round to there, and then to format the card, press TMST 140, then the receipt switch button, followed by TMST, and then the TLNS button. So the machine will now format the SD card for you, which will create a master folder on the SD card called Sharp XEA147. You can obviously then put whatever files you require into the formatted file, and the till, when you watch the other videos, you'll see that the till, when you save data, it'll create files for you as well. So that's your card formatted, so you can turn the key back to the reg position or continue with further SD card programs. You can check out the videos on the SD card saving and downloading, which are appearing on screen now. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.